In this video, we will go over features or benefits of air compressors manufactured by compressed air systems. Compressed air systems air compressor packages are manufactured for people who need to get work done. In this video, we will go over some of the differences between our Elite Series compressor and the Ingersoll Rand compressor. Our compressor is equipped with an easy-to-use engine belt tensioning system, solid welded with a threaded plate. On this unit, the belt tensioning system is simply a piece of all thread that has been tacked to one of the motor bolts. It's only tacked on one side, not both. Our unit is equipped with a belt guard aftercooler that will help to remove over 80% of the moisture in the air. There is no belt guard mounted aftercooler on the other package. The belt guard mounted aftercooler helps to cool the air to within. Our package has the critical controls protected by the base, an automatic tank drain that also has a manual bypass if needed. This system only has a manual drain all the way up under the center of the tank. Our system's controls are protected by the base plate. On this package, the controls hang out towards the front of the plate. Also, the air lines are installed with a special fitting only available from the manufacturer. Our air lines are stainless steel, flexible with JIC ends, and can be found anywhere in a pinch. We are now going to do a pump-up test on both packages. Notice this package has to be pull started as there is no battery installed as standard. Notice that our system has a battery installed on the package for easy starting. We are now going to do a temperature test on different areas of the compressor at 5, 10, and 15 minutes of runtime.